I recently spent hours trying to install Gazebo, the open source robotics simulator. It kept failing with a wall of incomprehensible dependency errors. I did what we all do. I pasted the error into ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Three powerful AI systems. Dozens of reasonable suggestions. But we kept going in circles. The problem refused to go away. Then, I remembered a tiny detail. Months earlier, I had manually installed an NVIDIA C++ compiler from source. Later, I thought I removed it. I fed that single sentence to the AI. Instantly, the investigation flipped. We stopped asking, what software is missing? And started asking, what did that old installation leave behind? Here is why AI fails at debugging. It assumes you're working on a normal, clean system. It only sees the final symptom, a failed installation. It doesn't know your machine's history, the weird tutorials you followed, or the manual overrides you made 6 months ago. My real problem wasn't a broken Gazebo file. The root cause was an invisible leftover NVIDIA library intercepting the installation. The error code was just the last domino to fall. When we paste an error and say fix it, we force the AI to blindly guess. To fix complex issues, you have to turn the AI from an answer generator into a debugging partner. Instead, use this exact prompt. Help me investigate this systematically. Do not recommend major changes until we identify the root cause. Separate your response into observations, hypotheses, tests, and conclusions. This forces the AI to stop acting like a magic 8-ball and start acting like a senior engineer. It stops the random guessing and makes every step verifiable. After you run a test, never just tell the AI, it still fails. That's useless. Give it the exact command you ran, the complete output, and what changed. Then, ask the ultimate debugging question. What does this result rule out? A good investigation eliminates possibilities. If an error changes, that is not a failure. That is proof you peeled back a layer and exposed the real problem underneath. If the AI gets stuck in a loop recommending the same fix over and over, interrupt it. Ask, what assumptions are we currently making? What is the safest, reversible test we can run right now? In my case, the safest test wasn't hacking my Gazebo installation. It was just temporarily moving the old NVIDIA files out of the way. Once I did that, Gazebo installed perfectly. Effective prompting isn't about finding a magic sequence of words. It's about supplying the context the model cannot possibly know on its own. The AI can analyze logs and organize an investigation, but you hold the history. Stop treating AI like a search engine. Give it the timeline. Share the evidence. Challenge its assumptions. Collaborate.